There's a good chance every wall and ceiling in your home is lined with it, but most people have no idea what plasterboard actually is or why it matters for DIY. Plasterboard is also called drywall or gypsum board. It's a rigid panel made from gypsum core sandwiched between two sheets of paper. Gypsum is natural, fire resistant, lightweight and easy to work with. Fix the boards to a timber or metal frame, apply a thin skim coat of finishing plaster over the top, and you've got a smooth, paint ready wall in a fraction of time traditional wet plastering took. It's faster, cheaper and less skilled, which is why virtually every home built or renovated in the UK from the 1970s onwards uses it. The standard sheet is 2400mm by 1200mm at 12.5mm thick. That covers most walls and ceilings. Beyond the standard board, there are specialist types: moisture resistance for bathroom and kitchens, fire resistance for garages, boiler cupboards, and acoustic boards for reducing sound between rooms. Right board, right location, that's what matters. Understanding your walls and plastering changes how you approach almost every fixing job. You can fix heavy items into the board alone. Shelves, radiator, TV brackets all need to go into the timber or metal stud behind it. Or you need a specialist hollow wall anchor. A screw straight into plasterboard with no stud behind it will pull out under any real load. A stud finder costs a few pounds and is one of the most useful things you can own. Plasterboard is easy to cut. Score the face deeply with a sharp knife, snap along the line and cut through the back of the paper. No saw needed for straight cuts. It's also easy to damage. Knocks will dent it and moisture will cause it to sag and crumble over time. Use the right type and it'll last the lifetime of the building. Plasterboard is so common it's become invincible until you need to fix something to a wall or patch a crack, and suddenly it matters a lot. The more you understand what your walls are made of, the better every DIY job you do will go.